Hey guys, this week I want to tell you about a friend of mine. It's a good friend of mine. This was done a couple months ago before the lockdown. And speaking of the lockdown, I think this week we're not going to have the lockdown that we had before. I think we're about to come out of it. Our governor is telling us that they're going to open some things up and they have a big announcement coming this week. So I think we're going to be at the end of it. But I wanted to go ahead and edit this one thing and show you something because it tells you a little bit about me and where I'm from. When I was a kid, I was on a boxing team. And going back in the gym occasionally, I got a chance to meet back up with a guy that I've known for 40 years who had a bad smile. And you could tell it embarrassed him. Because when we were kids, he had a really nice smile. And he didn't know what I did, and we hadn't had time to talk about it, but I asked him if he didn't mind if I tried to help him with what I was doing. I made him a veneer, and I brought it to the gym. And I truly think that it absolutely changed his life. I'm super impressed. But this was a young man that would have never asked for anything for himself at all. Real big spirit, smile bigger than the state of Texas. He's not a guy that would have ever asked for this. He's not a guy that ever would have said this is for him. And it absolutely is made for people just like him. And if you're anybody like him that has a smile that's holding your back and you're afraid to ask, afraid to get involved, afraid to study, afraid that it's not what you think it is, watch this video, and if you see yourself in this video, then do yourself a favor. I did it for him, I'd like to do it for you. Call me. Let's work together. Let's work on a way to get you a smile that you never would have been able to get otherwise. I think it'll help you be a person that nobody thinks you could be. I can't tell you what it meant to see something I did change a friend's life instantly. You can do something for your friend, but when you give your friend a smile back, you truly feel accomplished. I did it for him, I'd like to do it for you. Let me know what you think about this video. Don't be afraid to comment below, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Thank you guys.
What is you crazy mother?
You see old smile, you haven't done it in years.
I haven't.
Oh my God, you're gonna die, Robert. You're gonna pass out and die. This what's happened, man. This will completely change your life. I know you don't believe this, so let me tell you something. They're gonna see you as a guy that's got $1 million smile. You have to think, listen, if you just let it go, and quit covering it up.
I know you're used to it.
You gotta see this girl that used to smile all the time. You get it? You gotta get used to it. He always thought he was funny. I always thought he was so funny. But look at this for a minute. You gotta do me a favor though. Let it go just for 5 minutes. You've been covered in your smile you've been grinning. I need you to smile. I'm telling you, you put a suit on? No, there you go. Just that little bit. You look like a college professor in 5 seconds. You're wasting it. This makes you look so smart.
I mean, I gotta get used to it. It's something new to me.
Do it for me. Just do it for me. It's supposed to do it. There you go. Now look. It looks amazing though. Look. Just for a minute. You hate it?
I don't hate it. I mean, it's a different look. I mean, I'm so used to that damn ball look.
Your whole life is beautiful, man. Yeah. I know.
What are you gonna try, man?
Nothing. Cause you since you smile.
Let me get used to it. Trust me. I mean, I like it. Man, I ain't used to smiling, man.
I get it. How long has it been?
Yeah, I've been doing it. See, when I got this tooth out, I had an abscess, and I went to the dentist. Dude did not, he left a hole in it. I didn't know what to do, and then something just basically fell out.
You know what?
And I never I've never been a dentist person, so I just totally stopped taking care of my teeth.
Your smile's a gift. You gotta give it back, bro. You get that? Brother, I'm just telling you, you look like a chiseled Sugar Ray Leonard, man. I hope you feel good.
I do. I mean, listen, I don't feel bad at all. I mean, it's a new look for me, bro.
It's a new life. Everybody sees you going to see you different.
I just gotta, I'm used to it. I just gotta get used to it.
When I saw you in 5 minutes, I thought, man, you don't know what it's cost you. I'm telling you, it's going to help you in everything you do. You look amazing. Stay with me. You look good, bro.
If you made it this far, it's because you probably liked the video. Do me a favor, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Help us grow this channel. Our subscribers mean the world to us. I think you'll like what's coming this year. Amazing smile makeovers for people all over the world. Thank you for watching the video and hit the subscribe button. Talk to you later.